the Crocodile Chefs and the Best Recipe Contest. Once upon a time, in the lush and exotic tropical city of Krakatoa, 7 talented and ambitious crocodile chefs lived on a small little island at the edge of the bustling city. These cheeky crocodiles, Cedric, Bria, Winston, Yolanda, Charley, Shu, and Oren, were renowned for perfecting the tastiest exotic dishes in all of Krakatoa. Every Sunday, the 7 crocodiles would gather around a small table and trade their own savory recipes, exchanging ingredients, additives, and methods of preparation. Little did they know, there was a secret recipe competition being held in the city. And the winner would be announced on Saturday afternoon. The crocodiles decided they had to get in on the competition. But where would they find time to create the best recipe ever? With no time to waste, the 7 friends began to work together in their kitchen. While some found the most delicious organic fruits and veggies, others created exotic combinations of spices that would make even the most salty tongue tingle. Another chose the freshest seafood from the nearby harbor, and another created a magical blend of herbs, nuts, and flowers. All the while, the 7 crocodiles were chatting and laughing, goofing around and making jokes about their wild invention. Finally, after hours of hard work, their amazing dish was complete. On Saturday morning, the 7 crocodiles marched proudly through Krakatoa to present their dish to the recipe competition. Just as the sun was setting, the judge announced the winner. And it was the platter of the 7 crocodile chefs. They had crafted a magnificent dish that blew the judges away. It certainly bore its own unique flavor, like no other they had ever tasted before. The crocodiles celebrated until the morning sun rose, and then they started planning what to do with their winnings. They decided to use the prize money to open up their own restaurant and began expanding their beloved recipe book with even more delectable dishes. Their little island in Krakatoa was soon overrun with customers, eager to sample the dishes created by the 7 crocodile chefs. And they continue to create original recipes to this day, all while having a laugh and a good time. The end.